Yo, what's going on, my Learn How to Draw Hub crew? I'm your host, Nathan Johns, and today we're going to be learning how to draw Cuphead. This is a fan request drawing, and I'm so excited to get around to it. I haven't said this before, but a goal of ours is to draw as many characters and people and landscapes as possible. So send us whatever drawing request you have, and we'll try our best to get around to it. Awesome. Well, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Let's get down to it. Let's go see what we can do. So for the first step of making Cuphead, we're going to begin by making one line going left to right, almost at the top of the page. Now underneath of this line, we're going to make one big U-like shape going from the left side all the way over to the right side. Fantastic. Now we're going to make two curved lines below the shape that we just made. Okay, so now I have a riddle. What has a head and a tail but does not have a body? Stick around to the end of the video to find out the answer. Now from those curved lines that we just made, we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin to make the arms as well as the hands for Cuphead. Awesome. Now we're going to add a straw right here. Now right below the body, we're going to go ahead and we're going to begin to make the legs as well as the feet for Cuphead. Fantastic. Now we're going to make one line going straight across, which will be the shorts for Cuphead. And then we're going to go move into the face and we're going to begin to make the eyes, the nose, as well as the mouth. Do you think you know the answer for the riddle earlier? Alright, well here it is. It's a quarter. Thank you for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color in your Cuphead with us.